Hello everybody, this is Glenda with Fralins and Friends Crafts Plus. And tonight we are going to put faces and bird bodies on these plates. And I have got some titles and some recommendations for the colors on the faces.
It's clear to see from up here.
And okay, Glenda Wilson, we do have a new one to do for Carla. Okay, Glenda Wilson wants the yellow on the pink plate. And then Carla wants the green, wants green on the yellow plate. Okay, I think I'm going to have to let this dry and then go over that yellow again. Well, we'll be going around it. Hopefully when this dries it covers up those pencil marks like it did on the other ones. Oh. I am going to go back on that one and give it some legs too, like I call them drumsticks, but yeah. I think I will because that's the only one that doesn't have them. This one ought to be a tasty chicken. It's got them big drumsticks. Yeah, she did say yellow on pink. Okay, I don't want to get that wrong. I'm going to let that dry for a bit. Next time I order a set of paints, I'm going to get as many colors as I can get. Hopefully it won't cost me a mint. It'd be nice to be able to have all these colors and more. But it's not that mixing's a bad thing, it's just that I haven't learned yet. I'm 65 and I still haven't learned. Okay, that looks like it's the same color. I hit it. I got it. Alright, let's draw this guy some leggings. Some drummy sticks. He can have some nice drumsticks like his brothers and sisters over there. Don't ask me which is a brother and which is a sister. I haven't put any combs on any of them. So I guess they're all sissies right now. They're all his sisters right now. Oh, gosh, Glenda. I got his leg clear up in his chest. I will fix it. I will fix it. Okay. We want green on yellow. Righty, righty, row. Whew, I almost got my arm in that violet color. I'll be danged if that isn't turning blue. It hasn't been doing that. Why is it doing it now? Carla, I am so sorry. I try. I swear I do. I'm not done. That's one thing. I'm not done. Oh, come on. Well, you did say blue would be okay. I'll call that a... I'm gonna keep trying to get this right. I don't think he needs that drumstick up quite so high. There. There. I think that looks better. Okay. Okay. A heck of a way to test it, huh? Go full on green here. Thick. Well, one thick drumstick. You ever feel like you just want to cry? Arg!
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
There's our troubled Tuesday.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well, I hope that you've enjoyed me watching me figure this out little by little and make mistakes, fix mistakes. That's life. We make mistakes. Sometimes we can fix mistakes. And if we can't, we move on. So, but, I mean, we've got a lot more to do here. I just can't get it all in one sitting, especially with having to go back over things. But I think they're going to be very cute. And I think they're going to line that area in the kitchen. Just have, so that people come in and look up there and just get a giggle. And that's what I want. Is for people to just get a giggle. And maybe sit there and try and read them from far back or something. Maybe with binoculars. I'm going to have them up. No, I don't think they'll have that much trouble. So, I hope you've enjoyed this, and we will continue to work on it. So I'll see you Friday, and we'll be working on it. And I'll maybe try and get a couple more made in the meantime, and possibly do some more painting on these, to the touch-up especially, and see if I can get them outlined and get them to looking like they should look. Looking like their cute little selves. So, smile and wave and wish somebody a Happy New Year, because I know I need a Happy New Year, you need a Happy New Year, and there's a lot of people that need a Happy New Year, even if it's just for a day. So, I mean, let's make every day as positive as possible. Let's encourage each other, lift each other up, and say, hey, you may have had a few bad moments today, or maybe somebody was lost today, and that's awfully, but we can lift you up with support. So whatever's happening, because we can't say everything's good and nice with the world, but we can say God is with us. So I love all of you, and I'll see you Friday. Good night.